So the question is, do we really know our Jamaican landmarks? Our producer, as they always do, is putting us to the test with a few facts that we will have to pair with a few famous points in Jamaica. So, this house has hosted plenty of famous faces in its time, including the Queen's mother, Sir Winston Churchill, so Amos King's house, Sophia Loren Elizabeth Taylor. Name this landmark. The Queen's mother. If I'm not King's house, I never know.
I was going to say.
It's certainly not Arms
Hold
house.
on, I was going to say is where James Bond thing. Wait name. Fire. Wait name. Where James Bond right to.
Firefly?
I know it's not King's house. It's Firefly.
Yeah, but Firefly Estate is not a house.
I just fight against me because I get it right.
No, you may fight against me. I fight against the producer. When a house is not an estate.
Yeah. So Firefly.
So let's be clear about
All right. What's the next one?
Because the answer can be Firefly. That pep question wouldn't work.
This landmark was built in the 17th century by the English following a successful invasion.
Alive.
And is well preserved to this day. Can you name this landmark?
Alive.
Say it name, Alai.
Built in the 17th century.
Port Royal.
Almost one of them fort there.
Port Royal. No? Not Port Royal. Skanking sweet. I don't know.
Almost one of them fort there. They may say when I fort them.
You know what that Port Royal is? Fort Charles is not Port Royal. No, it's Fort Charles, Port Royal. That's all I need to know. It's not that Port
But them
Royal.
never build the old Port Royal.
No, they're not in the same place.
Between me and Neville will get it right. Because
Yeah.
I say Port Royal and I say I one
A
of them
fort.
fort there.
Yeah.
I want fort there, Port Royal.
Port
and
Royal.
a Fort Charles.
Fighting up.
Like,
Rastaman know the thing,
seriously.
you know. I will not go and lie.
Seriously.
Yeah, come again.
We pep it out a while ago and
We
never
pep out
want
the two
to
of
give
them.
it the thing.
We deal with it.
Him support the birthplace of modern Jamaica. The property spans no less than 300 acres. And
Seville.
it was a brilliant, informative tour. I eat CM1, yes?
Seville. No, man, me should be the Prime Minister.
But I wish my else have a brilliant, informative trip.
Me say me should be the Prime Minister. Me know these things. Next one. Come, man, we could deal with this. Pep, we pass for Georges. From 1534 to 1872, this place was named the capital of the island by Spanish and British. They're in the same place.
Colonialists.
They're in the same place. No, Seville.
Where is this landmark? No.
It was Seville, then Spanish Town, then Kingston, though. No, so. No, so.
I don't know where it was. Seville, Spanish town, St. Diego de la Vega.
Then me get it, you know, because I say Seville, then Spanish Town.
But Seville was never a capital.
It wasn't?
No. It was St. Diego de la Vega, which is...
Seville wasn't a capital? I bet you know. This one, you know. Oh, no, you're reading time. You read the last one.
This landmark dates back to the 18th century when it was one of Jamaica's original sugar estates. The property is a fine example of colonial architecture and was once owned by John Tharp, one of Jamaica's biggest land and slave owners.
The big sugar place down in St. Elizabeth? St. Elizabeth it is? Eh? Are you may talk to you?
Only a big sugar place. Where you talking about? Appleton?
Yeah, no, so. The one where you go up on the tour, no St. Elizabeth that.
Yes.
They don't eat.
It's
Don't is it?
Appleton.
I said the one in, where is Good Hope? Because if it is in St. Elizabeth, you don't have to give me that thing.
No, Good Hope and St. Elizabeth.
Well, don't tell me where Good Hope is. Where is Good Hope?
Good Hope and West.
I need to know where, because if it's St. Elizabeth, you don't have to give me. Where is Good Hope? I don't know where.
Come again?
Next one. Which one we next? Trelawney.
Trelawney, yes. Let me say West. This one now is Appleton. This Appleton Estate.
Hold on. No, I'm not into that, you know, because I am thinking still about the other one I have
Good
jumped
hope is Trelawney, sir.
Yeah, but oh, you reach this one and I never even know what is going on because I didn't know this one too.
When me say rum, you know.
You know, I'm not play. No, because if I didn't read it, I'd work it out, you know. When you say good hope is?
Trelawney. West, it's west.
Oh, St. Elizabeth would be Westmoreland side.
St. Elizabeth is
Westmoreland.
south.
Westmoreland thing, yeah.
St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland?
No, that you go.
St. Elizabeth
You go
is
that
south.
side. Yeah, but you go that side. Don't
South
go that
coast.
Right. You go like, hold on, because I know the thing, you know, is St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth. Then no Westmoreland after that. Eh? Don't it Sheffield? I'm not right. Where's the next one now?
It's an incredible natural harbor which features a great open-air museum with some of the finest examples of monuments in Jamaica.
Natural harbor. I don't know where our open-air museum is.
It's probably Port Royal.
I don't know.
I don't know any other open-air museum. Open-air museum?
I don't know of no open-air museum.
In a natural harbor?
Downtown. Harbour Street. Not Harbour Street.
Portland.
Downtown. Portland?
I don't know which one. I don't know of the open-air museum.
I've never heard about an open-air museum. Discovery Bay?
Discovery Bay is an open-air museum?
Where? You can show me, please? I don't know that.
Discovery Bay have an open-air museum? What do you call museum?
The open-air one. I don't know that. So wait, no. So we get Firefly, we get Port Royal, we get Seville. Mm-hmm. What we never get? Well, I never get that one, and I never get Good Hope. Where is Good Hope? No one tell me already which parish.
Trelawney.
Yeah, but where? You know, I know I want to tell me the parish, but where? Chad, no.
Well, Trelawney, Chad point for everybody.
No, Mountain View Avenue.
Every time you look on Chad point for somebody else.
Man. Only like, Chad no ways but Mountain View.
If you say spell Chad.
Eh? I didn't go charges.
If you say spell Chad point for somebody else. Chad no, I don't know.
Everything okay.
Yeah. And then him point.
But then him go like him a work it out first. I'm saying I feel that is a nebulous goes.
And then him point.
It's not the greatest advertisement for St. George's College, Chad. Not the greatest one. All right, well that was interesting.
Yeah, Discovery Bay is new to me.
I don't know about no open air museum in Columbus Park. I don't know that as a museum. Maybe it is, I don't know. But I know where Columbus Park is, yeah.
It's an attraction.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a museum, but
all right.
It might be, and we don't know.
And we don't know.
Yeah.
And open air mean it now no roof and all kind of.
That's why I say it's an attraction. Mine because it's old.
So when you have rain, it just smash up all of the artifacts in and something if it open air?
Well, I think most of what they're seeing would be things that are rock and stone, and that's why I don't know if it's I don't know, museum is the word I'd call it. Maybe that's how they market it. I don't know.
But we never do that. Oh, we're past Pep.
We know more than the producer.
No, we're past Pep. We're going for a break. When we come back, we'll be in high school.
Not except Chad.